Hi guys, so in this video we're going to do an isolation brain teaser combination. Let's get straight into it. I'm not going to give you a warm up today, so if you need to warm up, which you do, warm up first and let's just go straight into it, okay? So let me talk it through first before I crank the music up, and we can talk about it and we can dance it afterwards. So I want to sink into the heel, classical position, raise one heel off the floor, and you're going to have one shoulder, going to go up and down, up and down. Now as you do your shoulder up and down, you've got to keep your neck nice and long, okay? Remember what I always tell you, you never want to lose your neck. Keep your grace and your space, okay? Grace and space, long neck. So you're only lifting your shoulder up and down vertically about 2 centimeters. Watch your whole arm isn't moving like this, yeah? You're really trying to isolate the shoulder, like if the shoulder's in a socket, you just want to move the shoulder in the socket, not the whole arm, okay? Up and down, up and down. Again, in the next part, it's going to be chest lifts and chest drop, chest lift and chest drop. Now in my school, I teach you all about how to do these isolations properly and effectively, what muscles to use, where to move movement from, because there are many different ways of being able to do any isolations, right? But you still need to learn how to do all of the isolations and how to move, where to move from, right, for the control. Okay, so anyway, chest lifts and chest drops is the second one. And then we're going to have hip lifts and hip drops. So classical position, bend the knee, up and down. Really try to control that hip work, okay? Really control your hip work. Up, down, up. Make sure your knee's not going crazy. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Engage your tummy. And then the third part is going to be shoulder rolls, or fourth part, sorry. Roll your shoulders. Roll your shoulders. Nice and fluid. At this point, keep your shoulders going. I'm going to crank up the music a little bit, because we can just add it in now. All right, so let's go again. Shoulder rolls. Let's do the movements individually. And then you're going to do a head, like someone just called your name. Yes. Yes. Okay, all right. And then the final one is going to be shoulder hits. Sorry, there's 2 more left. Shoulder hits. So shoulder rolls is nice and smooth. Shoulder hits is sharp. One shoulder goes forward, the other one goes back at the same time. And then that one comes forward, the other one goes back at the same time. Yeah, so make sure you're not going front, back, front, back, front, back. Make sure one goes forward, one goes back, one goes forward, one goes back. Ba, 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 ba. Keep the hands nice and low. Don't have them too high, otherwise you look something like this. Okay. All right, so let's add it all together real slow. Oh, last move. You're gonna do the shimmy. So you're gonna have your legs together, and you're gonna drive your knees, you're gonna sink into the heels, drive from the floor, but let your legs go. So you're trying to get a vibration shimmy going. And to vibrate is like to let all the cells in your skin jiggle. Everything jiggles, everything. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right then. Okay, so let's add it in piece by piece from the beginning, okay? So really, the key word here is isolation combination, okay? Isolation combination. We're trying to isolate the moves and only move the body part that we're moving at that time and nothing else. Not as easy as it sounds, okay? So, shoulder, just the shoulder. Just the shoulder. Make sure it's not the whole arm and your head and your chest and your hips and your bum, okay? Just the shoulder. You're gonna go up, down, and then your chest is gonna go up, down. Let's alternate. Up, down, just the shoulder, just the chest, just the shoulder. Make sure when you do your chest, you're not flaring your ribs and you're not moving your hips. What did I say? I said isolate. Yes, ready? So, up, down. All right, I'm making a big point of it because isolating is not easy. It looks easy, and the idea is to look effortless. But let me tell you something, if you don't know already in life, effortless is an effort, okay? To achieve an effortless aesthetic or an effortless look requires effort. That's why I'm saying that, okay? So up, down, up, down, up, down. Keep your neck, keep space and grace. Up, down, down. We're gonna add on the hip. Hip lift, hip drop. Let's make this double-sided. What does double-sided mean? It means to make it sharp on the lift and sharp on the drop. If I was just doing hip drops, I would just accent my down. And if I was doing just hip lifts, I would just accent the up. That's what makes it a lift or a drop, okay? You learn all of this and more in my school, so come and join me. Anyway, so accent, we want to do accent both sides to make it a lift and a drop. From the beginning, so you're going to go up, down, chest, up, down, hips, up, repeat, shoulder, shoulder, chest, chest, hip, hip, one more, shoulder, shoulder, chest, chest, hip, hip, roll, roll. Oh, you see what I did there? You see what I did? Plie, rise, plie, rise. Plie, back shoulder roll, rise, forward shoulder roll. It's like this leg is getting a killer workout, huh? Because, wow, you're on this leg, all the weights on this leg. So if at any point in the video you want to flip it and you want to change it onto the other side, you can, but then you're going to have to change the shoulder and the hip. Okay, you ready? So we're going to go up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Should we try it again? 5, 6, smile. Up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Head, head. Yeah? Head, head. From the top. It's up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, head, head. Okay, then we're going to add on the shoulder hits. Back shoulder, front shoulder. Make it nice and sharp. Make it nice and sharp, 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 nice and sharp. You're going to do 2 of them, remember? Okay? So, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, head, head, shoulder, shoulder. Go. Up, down. Make it cleaner. Every single time you do it, see if you can make it cleaner and cleaner and cleaner and cleaner and cleaner and cleaner. More precise, more accurate, okay? Final one then, we're gonna just let it go. So you hit and you hit. I'm gonna come up onto my tiptoes. Up onto my tiptoes, I'm gonna land into my shimmy. Yeah? I'm gonna come up onto my tiptoes, and I'm gonna land into my shimmy. For stylization, I'm gonna twist towards my hip. I'm gonna side bend towards my hip. And I'm gonna bring my hands down. I'm gonna look towards my hip. Okay? So I'm gonna look down, and we're gonna reset and go all over again. So, up, down. Oh, let's go slow, sorry, my bad. One more slow. Up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, look, look, shoulder, shoulder, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, if you're not ready to go faster, stay slow. Otherwise, come with me, challenge yourself. Try to do it in the right order. I said because some of you are going to mix it up, and that's okay, but the whole purpose is like a brain game. So when you learn choreography and combinations, I like to think of them as brain games or brain training because it's a memory skill, right? It's a memory skill, but it's also memory in time to the music. So this is why if you struggle to remember combinations, there's a reason for it. Come to my school and I'll give you some tips on how to overcome that and how to develop this, but using movement to improve your memory. Are you ready? Faster, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Head, head, shoulder, shoulder. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hip, hip. I mixed it up. You see? If you lose concentration for 1 second, even the choreographer will mess it up. Okay. One more round. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 1, 2, up, down, down, up, head, head, shoulder, shoulder, 5, 6, 7, 8. Enough. I double dare you, triple dare you, quadruple dare you to repeat the video and do it on the other leg so that you train both sides and you don't get really strong on one leg and really weak on the other. Okay, thank you so much, YouTube, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.